Hi, today we are going to see how to draw in Photoshop. First open a document or image that you want to draw. Then select the brush tool under the quick selection tool option. Then start drawing. You can also take a new layer by click on this plus icon beside the delete layer option. I'm taking a new layer and now I'm drawing on this cat picture. If you use Wacom tablet, then your drawing will be very smooth and attractive. I'm using a just mouse. Here I already drew the outline of this cat. Now if I off the layer of the cat, then see, here is my drawing. So this is how you can use draw in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.